Welcome to the unboxing of the new 454D Serger, part of Janome's sailing line. This machine is super smooth, quieter than ever, and a dream to work with. I'll show you everything that comes in the box, and we'll go over the improvements of this machine. Whether you're new to Sergers or upgrading from another model, the 454D has everything you need to get started. When you unpack the box, you will find the power cord and foot pedal. You will notice that they are attached to the same plug that goes into the machine. Next, you have the printed instruction manual, full of information on how to use your new serger and helpful instructions for different types of stitches and hems, such as rolled hems, gathering, and pin tucking. The MyLock 454D comes with great accessories: a pack of needles, 2 size 11 and 3 size 14, a small screwdriver for replacing the needles, and a larger one for removing the needle plate or adding optional accessories. You also get tweezers. These are a lifesaver when it comes to threading your serger. On the top of the machine, the pre-tension guides are now slide-in, and the lower looper threader has been updated to a hook style, which makes it even easier to thread. Inside the machine, Janome has added noise reduction motor pulleys. This means quieter sewing, which we all love. Plus, there are rubber feet on the bottom of the machine so it doesn't vibrate as much. Inside the looper cover is a color-coded diagram that shows you how to thread the machine. The upper knife knob is now easier to access with a new easy-to-grasp dial. Just push it in and twist, and the knife is down. The MyLock 454D has improved tension control, so no more worrying about your delicate fabrics puckering. Whether you're working with thinner fabrics like chiffon or thicker fabrics like jersey or interlock knits, you don't have to adjust the tension dials. Just set them to the standard 3 and you're good to go. The improved differential feed system keeps your fabric from stretching too much, so no more wavy or puckered seams. You can easily adjust the feed dial to make sure everything stays flat and smooth. The new presser foot design keeps your fabric feeding smoothly and avoids tilting. That means more control and stability as you sew. The foot also gives you more visibility of the needle drop and cutting positions, so when you're serging, you can see exactly where the knife is cutting. The feed dog system has been upgraded to 8 pieces, which means better control when sewing over thick seams. For rolled hems, there's a wider tip on the presser foot where the fabric feeds through, so you get stable, beautiful rolled hems every time. The MyLock 454D has 2 optional accessories available to purchase: the waste chip box that attaches to the front of the machine to catch the fabric that is trimmed off by the knife, and the extra wide table that gives you more space for your project as you sew. The MyLock 454D brings together smooth, quiet operation and user-friendly features that makes every serger project a breeze. Whether you're working with delicate fabrics or tackling thicker seams, this machine has you covered from start to finish.